So I'm sitting here making dinner and making some white chicken chili. It looks good. And I hear crying. And what could it be? What could it be? What could it be? Let's see. Again, got a lot of toys on the ground, but I can't find my puppy. Where's my puppy? Can't find my puppy. Can't find my puppy. There's two puppies, but they're not yelping and crying. Trapped again. Hey. Why are you in there again? Sad. I'm just gonna leave him in there for a little bit. Them's good boys. Them's good boys and girls. Okay. There, look at this little guy. Hey, stay out of there. You keep getting stuck. Hey. Knock it off. Peace.